Welcome to Advanced Copilot at Work, the third installment in our 30-part series. We're diving deep into the next level of AI assistance. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool. It's your integrated partner for productivity and innovation. Advanced Copilot is a powerful AI system designed to handle complex workflows, automate advanced tasks, and provide predictive insights, moving beyond simple automation. In this specific video, part 3 of 30, we're focusing on three major features: smart task delegation, predictive workflow suggestions, and data visualization enhancement. Our first feature is smart task delegation. This allows you to assign complicated, multi-step tasks to Copilot using simple natural language. Watch how effortlessly you can assign a complex task like draft a project proposal based on last quarter's sales data and schedule a review meeting for next Tuesday. Copilot automatically breaks down these tasks into manageable substeps, executing them and tracking progress, notifying you only when necessary. Next is predictive workflow suggestions. Copilot anticipates your needs and suggests the next logical action based on your current project context and past behavior. For instance, if you finish drafting a document, Copilot might immediately suggest, share this draft with the legal team, or start preparing a presentation based on this data. This predictive power is enhanced by integrating external data, allowing Copilot to provide suggestions that consider broader market trends or organizational goals. Our final feature for today is data visualization enhancement, transforming raw data into stunning, insightful visuals instantly. Simply provide Copilot with raw data and ask it to, quote, visualize the quarterly sales performance by region, and watch the charts appear instantly. Need to adjust the color scheme or change the chart type? Use conversational prompts like, change this to a dark mode, or focus on the Q3 growth rate for instant customization. We've seen how advanced Copilot capabilities are designed to make your work smarter, faster, and more insightful. Today we covered smart delegation, predictive workflow suggestions, and data visualization enhancement, all central to the Advanced Copilot experience. Join us next time for Advanced Copilot at Work 430, where we'll explore even more features, including advanced data privacy controls.